Hi guys, welcome back to another PS4 jailbreak video. Today, I'll show you how to jailbreak your PS4 on version 12.00 using the latest Golden Hen. First, go to your PS4 system settings and make sure your console is connected to the internet, as this is essential for the jailbreak process. Once that's done, head over to your PC, open an internet browser, and navigate to the jailbreak host website. On the site, click the Start Jailbreak button, which will take you to another page where you'll find the Jailbreak 12.00 option. Here, you need to enter your PS4's IP address and DNS address in the provided boxes. After inputting the information, click on the Golden Hen 12.00 button, and the jailbreak process will begin automatically. Once the process is complete, return to your PS4 and you'll notice that the Golden Hen settings are now available. This means your PS4 is successfully jailbroken and you can start enjoying your games. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching.